Here we're ready to begin creating the trailer. Remember, I'm creating a movie trailer of my book, The Inner Minka Affair, available on Amazon, Apple's Books, Kindle, Kobo and so on. Indeed, the book is available in paperback, hardcover, Kindle and ebook format. Let's have a look at the genre and the blurb again. There's the book on Amazon. The Inner Minka Affair, International Romance and Danger in the Outback. There's your premise line again, you see. Love, lies, mortal danger. A lot can happen with an affair at Inner Minka. And so it goes on. And the cover, which we'll use within the movie trailer. Okay, let's go back to our movie, Beneath the Summer Skies. Back to iMovie. We begin with the outline. So we go to Edit. Wait for everything to come up in place. Just takes a moment. The name and movie name is set to Beneath the Summer Skies. You can see that there. Beneath the Summer Skies. I'll change that to The Inner Minka Affair. Note that it's in two parts. No idea why. It just is. But it's easy enough to change. The Inner Minka. The Inner Minka Affair. It's actually in two frames because it's on two lines, and you can see that in the preview screen just to the left. Next, we have the cast. That's done. The cast member, first gender is female. Now, in my story, the cast member is Rebecca. And you can see that change in the left. Rebecca travelled to an exotic land. Now don't worry about that travelled to an exotic land because that will change in the storyboard. Matthew? No. Now where are we up to? The two main protagonists, not a cast of thousands, just two. Note also that you can change the genre. Who goes first? Or two male or two female, or male female or female male. It's your story. So I'll leave the genders alone here and just change the names. First person Rebecca is female. Second person Cooper. Cooper. Done. Forgive me being tongue-tied a moment ago there. It's difficult to work on an iPad and work out what you're saying at the same time. Now, the next bit is studio. Why not give it your writing name? In my case, R. Chalmers. Clear that line. R. A. R. Chalmers. Done. Now, the logo style. You can change this to one of 5 options, which you'll see reflected in the preview screen. Coloured bars, dandelion, which will come up eventually, there we go, galaxy, street lamp, and trees. Doesn't want to do trees again. Coloured bars and trees. Okay, never mind, it'll come back. There we go. Just gets a little confused when you move through it too fast. You'll see those changes reflected in the preview window when they come up. Lastly on this page, the outline are the credits. You can of course have some fun here and really personalise the movie. Oddly, you can change the credit text, but you can't remove it. However, once changed, it stays changed. You'll see your changes reflected in the preview window. Directed by, and there's the preview window has come up. iMovie and R.A. Chalmers present, and R.A. Chalmers production in association with iMovie. A me film. We put done there. Edited by, written by, executive producer, direction designer, casting by, and music by House. A Me film, directed by... What can we put in here? There's one of my character names from another book. And you can see that in the preview screen, third line down, a Jack Vicious film. Done, so let's leave that there. Starring Rebecca Cooper. Directed by Jack Vicious. You'll see the bottom line, music by House, but there in the second bottom line of the preview screen is music by House. So your various names that you put in the credits come up in different places in that preview screen. Okay, that's all done. We'll press done in the top left hand side. Done. And it's saved it. There's the movie there, The Inaminka Affair. But we're not finished there yet because we've got to go back. We've got a lot of work to do in, you can see it there, storyboard. And there's the storyboard. I've got videos selected by default there, and the Inaminka Affair. No, we want to go back there. I don't want various images. I want the Inaminka Affair, and there's some of the trailers. For the moment, I'll stop there, and we'll come back to that momentarily.